after 3 months of sitting at home. Back in the airport, but it's way different now. There's no one here. Although I am very excited. Let's go to the mountains. Arrived. That was super easy, no hassle whatsoever.
Happy Father's Day.
This is Ben, my younger brother. We have arrived to the mountains and we're gonna spend the whole week here. And my older brother Thomas is gonna meet us later in the week. It's gonna be epic. First time ever. Us 4 siblings have done a trip together. I'm stoked. They better be stoked. Alright, so we checked into our place and then immediately set off for our first peak of this trip. And I've never gone east end of Rundle. So we're starting this hike at 6 p.m. but today is the longest day of the year in Canada, and the sun sets at 10 p.m., so we'll be good. I'm gonna keep saying it, but wow, it is good to be back in the mountains. It almost still feels kind of illegal to be enjoying myself when that's like not allowed right now or at all in 2020. But the Canadian travel industry is highly encouraging that people travel within their country right now and help stimulate our travel economy. So I'll gladly do that. Got it there, Ben?
Yeah. This makes you feel like it's achievable when you can actually see it.
Oh, the east end of Rundle. Man, it's so close yet so far. What's happened?
Oh. We're just having a little spa.
We're still on the top. Wow, look what snow's everywhere. Oh my God. Get out of here. Oh man. Girl was sitting right there. Did you make it to the summit pack? Open it up. There we go. Oh, purple, first page. That's where we're signing. Oops. Yeah, right there. If anybody comes up here and does this hike, get the purple book, open it to the first inside cover. That's where you'll see our signatures and sign beside us.
Ben made it.
Made it. Yes. Hi, brother. 2020. Wow, my writing is chicken scratch. Pandemic season. Ah! Oh, there's so many books. Oh, summer solstice.
Oh.
First day of summer, longest day of the year. Made it up to east end of Rundle.
It's so nerve-wracking. I don't like you standing over there.
Guys, calling your spouses,
Want to see?
calling the loves of their lives. Look at her, so happy to call her spouse.
That's pretty awesome. Hi, mommy, see it. Woo!
See, I'm just gonna go over here. I have no wife to call as I get to the summit. They just call their loved ones and their kids. I'm not mad, I'm not sad. Sun straight in the eyes. We're gonna hang up here a few more minutes and then it's
Down we go.
It took 2.5 hours to get up and the sun goes down at 10 p.m. so we gotta race down.
8:20.
We'll be in the dark. Oh my goodness. Wow, 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 beautiful. Time for the cold plunge. This is the proper way to fix the sore joints after going down for like 2 hours.
I feel a little stuck, like I'm not sure how I'm gonna get out.
That wraps up the East Rundle hike. The boss just rolling through. It's the next day. We are completely wrecked from our hike up to Rundle, so we decided just to take it easy today, and we found the ultimate lunch spot with a great view. No! Dropped it. Oil all over the camera. Gross. Middle of the day, Emerald Lake, no one here. Wow, normally this place is teeming. Yeah, thank you, pandemic, for closing the international borders. There's no one here. Just us. This is unheard of. Middle of the day, Emerald Lake, all to ourselves.
It looks like a poop.
Wow, is he gleaning?
How was that one?
The sun has gone down much earlier than yesterday, only because the mountains are blocking them. So we're just gonna grab dinner, maybe go in the hot tub, and that's it for day 2. Tomorrow we're gonna head to Kananaskis.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
So today's hike is called Ptarmigan Cirque. Easy one, only like a 300-meter gain, 5-kilometer circuit, something like that. And we are just relaxing today. Still sore a little bit from the first day, but it's quite nice.
Standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Just